My name is Jarrell Lindsay. I'm the owner of LeanFunctionalMuscle.com, and I am training in pajama pants because that is what's most comfortable for me right now. I want to talk to you about what functional muscle means. Now, there are different functions that the human body has that can basically be summed up into about 7 or 8 core movements. There's the push, there's the pull, there is the hinge, there's the twist, there is the squat, there is the loaded carry. Let's say for now that covers it. If I think of the others, then I'll come across them. But those are core movements of the human body. And combining those movements into different complex movements is what translates our strength into function, into 3D strength. Because no real world application of strength is going to just require pushing or just require pulling. For instance, running. That is a mix of twisting, that's a mix of pulling, and that's a mix of hinging. And you combine all three. But if any one of those parts isn't fully functional, then that messes up the entire chain. So today I'm going to talk about pushing, which you can go over different exercises that I do. I do a lot of dynamic muscle control training. So the training that I'll usually do, I'll do push-ups. In a lot of the push-ups, people usually just work chest where they're pushing up here, but you can really engage the lats because those are back muscles, but they're powerful pushing muscles just by extending your shoulders forward when you're doing the push-up. And that helps to strengthen the scapular muscles, and that helps to stabilize that push. And that's part of the reason why you see a lot of heavy bench pressers arching their back a little bit, because that helps to engage the lats more when they're doing that push-up. For other pushing muscles, doing that push with the shoulders, dynamic tension workout that I usually do for that, I flex my shoulders through this movement. And keeping those shoulders tense and flex during those movements helps to get that full range of motion in the shoulders, helps to keep your shoulders very healthy, and helps to strengthen them for a lot of pushing feats. One final thing that I like to do for pushing, along with a push-up, is a Hindu push-up, which is a rolling push-up. You can see that in some of my other videos that I've done, and that really works the whole chain of motion where you're using your triceps, and that pushes your shoulders, and you're pushing your scapula forward, so that's activating your lats, and that works your chest. Your core is engaged. All of those body parts are worked into the function of your human body. So train for those functions rather than training for, I want the biceps, I want the shoulders, I want the chest. Train to be able to do, train to be able to move. Even in biology, one of the first lessons that I got was that function begets form. The structure of an organelle is based upon the function of that organelle. So the structure of your body, the structure of your musculature, your tendons, is based upon the function of them. How they work will help to dictate how they look, how they move, how they're structured. So training the push, I'll do some more videos to demonstrate different pushing exercises for that function. But until now, take care, y'all. Peace.